Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explain two things. First, I'll show you how to print a specific part in Excel. And second, I'll show you how to print a big table in one page. So let's start with printing a specific part. First, we have to select the area we need to print, and then go to page layout and click on print area and select set print area. And to see the result, we go down and choose page break preview. And beside it, we can see size icon, which let us choose A4 or A3 or whatever we want. And orientation, to choose portrait or landscape. And for printing, we go to file and click on print, and that's it. So if we have a big table and we need to print it in one page, first we select the whole table and go to print area and select set print area. We will notice that the page will be separated like this. So let's make zoom out to see the whole picture. And now go to print titles. Then click on page and remove this one and put 0 instead, and then press OK. And it's done. The whole table in one page. I hope this video was useful, and if you have any question, please put it down in the comments, and see you next video.